Lots of times we're thinking about new ways to get play into the classroom. And one of the things that I was able to witness lately, and I wanted to share with you, was kind of a new twist on morning meeting. Morning meeting is a great time for us to come in the morning and sit down and, get to know what the day is going to look like, have our calendar, et cetera, et cetera. But sometimes it gets a little long and the kids have a really hard time like behaving themselves in morning meeting. But what if we came in every morning and did what humans like to do? Kind of start out the day more relaxed. Coming in, it's like water cooler time. That's what I like to call it. It's my new morning meeting, water cooler time. For little kids, it's coming in and playing. Imagine a morning meeting where kids get off the bus or get dropped off. They come in, they just hang up their coats, put their, whatever stuff away, zip up those backpacks, and they just look at the room and play. There's various things that you've set out to play with, blocks and Play-Dohs and Legos and maybe centers, or maybe they just sit down and talk to one another or read together or color. Really kind of open-ended and unstructured, if you will. And after that, 15, 20 minutes in the morning and play is done, it also helps those kids who get dropped off late, because that does happen often. So they don't kind of walk into the middle of something and kind of have to put it together and start their day immediately. Nobody likes to start their day like that. So once the play is done, we can, huddle up, sit down on the carpet maybe, or in our chairs and say, okay, let's get started for the day. Today's date is, do a little calendar, what's going to happen between now and lunch. And that could be our entire morning meeting. And you know what? We could do it again after lunch. We could call it the ease into the afternoon. And then, of course, at the end of the day, have a reflection circle before we all say bye. How did today go? I'm going to tell you, I've seen this work really well. So we're trying to put more play into our classrooms, wondering how to do it. So let's mix it up when it comes to things like morning meeting.